Ready to open up Louisiana custom wrap?
Let's do it.
Can you get the vision kind of yet?
Yeah.
Look at how giant that damn wing is.
God damn,
Son.
What you doing, man?
You talking to me?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know you were filming. I was like, what do you mean? I thought you knew what I've been doing. Me and Daniel have been up here for a few hours now, and we've been working on wrapping the FRS. Honestly, we didn't grab a camera because we just kind of forgot. We've just been wrapping all day. So yeah, so far we have wrapped, well, I'm pretty much finishing up this side. I got done with the fender here, the hood. We did the rear bumper. We did one of the front quarters. Cruz actually came and did the front bumper and the side skirts. He was the guy that actually wrapped the race truck's roof, so he came back and helped us out with that. Check this out though. Can you get the vision kind of yet?
Yeah.
All right, bet. Let's keep going. So late last night, you guys saw that we were up at the shop, and we have been working for a good bit now on wrapping the FRS. Me and Daniel made a lot of good progress last night. And today, we're getting to the back of the shop truck and going down the road to go pick it up. We're gonna bring it back down here to the shop, hopefully finish wrapping it, and then put it all back together. So, hell yeah. Hola. Woo. That thing is pretty. What you think?
It's definitely all red.
You notice that this is wrapped?
Nope.
Good. Perfect. That's the way we want it to be.
What all is wrapped on?
This fender, the back bumper, the hood, this fender, and then this entire pillar going all the way back, the rear fender.
Can you tell whenever you open the door jamb, or is it pretty
No, it is so close. So that worked out like literally perfect. It's gonna look good. I was pretty proud though. We were able to get all of this so perfect up in here. Like even whenever you lift up the hood, watch underneath how good we got it. Look at that. Look at those corners. Oh my goodness. Ready to open up Louisiana custom wrap?
Let's do it. Throw that shit away.
It slipped open like that in my pocket. Story time for the camera real quick. Last night we were wrapping some shit and I had this in my pocket. I didn't notice that it had slipped open. I literally ran my finger straight down the center and cut my finger like almost down to the bone. I'm not gonna open it, but it sucked, dude. This is a brand new razor blade too, so it felt great.
Hey, you try. Let's make sure he's not lying. Go ahead, try.
All right, guys, so the goal pretty much is today we're gonna finish wrapping up all of these fenders. We're gonna wrap the trunk. We're gonna unbox our wings, so you guys are gonna see that for the first time. Get the wing mounted onto the trunk and start assembling everything, hopefully, at the end of this video. So we're gonna be wrapping and assembling everything. Let's get started.
I've been caught up in the slow lane for way too long. Mama wanted them draining wheels off, but I was too far gone. It's like I'm in the zoo, a tiger about to break loose. Can't no cage contain me, you're about to know the truth.
We just finished another fender that I believe came out 100% perfect. All I want to say is Justin has Atlanta Custom Wrap, so I appreciate you. There is absolutely no way that I would be able to do any of this without his little tips that he gave me. He gave me a bunch of tips whenever we were wrapping the Tesla, and it made a huge difference. That is done. Like, look up close at all the corners, even up to the very front. Literally, it's flawless.
Oh, about time we finally get to see this thing.
Doug's gonna get started mounting up this trunk, mounting the wing to the trunk at least. We're gonna open it up and check it out real quick. So, the cool thing about this is not your traditional wing. It does not mount on the car from the bottom. It's actually a swan neck. The mount comes from above and hooks up to the top, and the wing is actually suspended below. So that's pretty cool. This thing is gonna be pretty damn sweet. it out. The wing is out and ready to be mounted onto the trunk. Doug went ahead and earlier drilled the holes, so we just got done wrapping the trunk. Also, we finished wrapping these fenders and got everything looking pretty good. Honestly, it's like pretty phenomenal how well they came out. Pretty close to looking like paint. But anyways, we got the McLaren in here because this spot on the wing, since the day that I bought it, has been flaking off. And so I finally got tired of it. And we've got some satin black and also some gloss black. We're gonna try and do something pretty cool with the wing here. But first, I gotta sand this down and get it flat to wrap it. So this is gonna be a little cringy. You ever see anybody on YouTube doing this to them, thing? Ooh, this might actually look pretty good when we're done. This is the most satisfying part.
It's gonna turn out pretty sick.
So we're gonna do like a multi-stripe design with a satin black and a gloss black. See how shit looks. There we go. We've covered up our cracked carbon issue that we were having on the wing. Now we've just got a nice little design here. It actually doesn't look too bad, and it matches the wrap pretty much perfectly. We've got the same gloss black, same satin black. I say pretty mint. But anyways, I'm about to go home because I am really freaking tired. I've been wrapping for like probably 11 hours at this point again. Everything's coming out pretty good. All right, see you guys in the morning. Alright guys, fast forward a few hours and check this thing out. This is coming along way better than what I think any of us thought that it was going to. This thing really does not look bad at all. I'm genuinely impressed. Good shit, sir. Good shit. Yeah. Me and Daniel have been killing it on this thing, and for my first attempt ever wrapping a car, I give it a 10 out of 10. Honestly, it's pretty solid. Look at those rails. Oh, what's up? You literally just got here perfect in time, like just in the perfect time. Here you go, sir.
What's going on?
So we are getting ready to, now that we got everything finished wrapping, we are done actually wrapping the car.
Sick.
We're done wrapping the body kit. We're done wrapping every single thing. So now we're getting started and about to get ready to start assembling everything. So we're gonna put headlights in first, then Doug's gonna have to drill out a few more holes just to get, because obviously we wrapped over the holes that we had previously. Once that's drilled out and the headlights are in, we're gonna get ready to start a freaking final assembly. It is finally time to get these things put in. These are like...
Have you shown these on camera yet?
Yeah, I think so.
Only unboxing the first time. Did you mention the new code yet?
No.
There's two codes. You have It's Just a 6, which gets you free upgraded ground shipping.
Whoa.
Then you have Just a 6, not It's Just a 6, but Just a 6.
And you get a knife.
And you get a knife. So you
Whoa.
can choose whichever one you want.
So you mean that you gotta unbox the box to get the unboxing knife out?
Unfortunately, I think so. Yeah.
You gotta take out these damn connectors. Dude, my fingers are so numb from f***ing holding and peeling wrap that
Really?
I can't even still push these f***ing connectors in.
You got it, bro. Maybe. Actually, I don't know if it's coming. Ah, there it goes.
All right, let's shut the hood on this thing for the first time.
Yeah.
Oh shit. Hang on. Holy shit.
Pretty gnarly, bro.
Actually, yeah.
Yeah, real gnarly.
Yeah, that's it.
We gotta jump this thing real quick.
Ooh.
First voyage. It's a lot brighter red.
It is. The roof looks good black too. You can actually see the color difference here.
It's just barely 2 shades different red, and the reason that we were doing that is because now with the door open, once we get everything on, you'll never know that this car is wrapped because the inside of the door is almost the exact shade of red. So we're going for like an OEM plus. And I think it's working out. All right, guys, so we got the FRS back down here. Doug right now is working on installing in our rivets, which you guys remember I was telling you before. What we're gonna do is try to do riv nuts instead of just doing self-tappers that hold it in. So this entire side, Doug's already done. And you can see now we've got this super nice riv nut sitting in place. So I actually really like that a lot. That's gonna look pretty solid, I think. And it's gonna be a whole lot stronger than just self-tappers, I think. So we'll get the body panels put on, bolt in the new hardware, since we're gonna have bolt-on hardware now instead of just the self-tappers. And also, we're gonna be getting rid of this carbon fiber trunk, getting that pulled off because Daniel just now finished this up. Doug put the wing on, and after the wing was on, Daniel actually wrapped this top section, which was not previously wrapped black, but he wrapped it black now because I think we're gonna take one of these DLS stickers and stick it on there, something like that on the back. I'm not sure yet, but look at how giant that damn wing is. That thing is gonna look incredible in the back of there. Yeah, I know. Getting gloved up, and speaking of, check these out. Well, this one's already on, so it looks better. Well, bam! If you guys want these, you can go grab them on the site right now. www.dls.store.
You got that color, and then we also got this color.
Pink.
I actually like these. The last ones that we got as samples just immediately tore, so that's why we never did anything with them.
Also, they come in.
Feel why they're so sticky? They don't break.
It's a little bit hard for me to get my giant ass hands in.
Yeah, it's a little hard for me too.
They also come whenever you order it. They come in 3 pairs. They have 3 pairs in the package.
Really?
Yeah. So you get a little bag, and then it has 3 pairs of gloves. So
Nice.
no, it's either one color or the other.
Oh, these are the only 2 colors?
So check it out. We did get the headlights in, and also let me turn it on real quick and show you guys.
Oh, they're working now.
Oh, yeah, they're working.
Okay. All right.
So that's how we gonna cruise right there.
That's pretty hard.
That's how we gonna ride. This is the moment of truth right here. We have been waiting to do this
I'm so excited.
since day one.
Come on, Lud. You got it. Ugh. Theoretically, you can let go of it now.
Oh, ballsy move there.
I mean,
And it doesn't hit the window.
Hit the unlock and make sure this thing is gonna, or hit whatever trunk latch button.
I didn't think about that. I was about to just boom.
There we go. Okay, now it's working.
Oh,
Be very careful. Cross down first. We don't know if it's still in alignment or not.
God damn, son. Holy wing.
very
Holy wing, Batman. All right, so there we go. Trunk and wing are assembled, and that thing is freaking huge. And it really doesn't look that bad, honestly. It looks pretty decent. And that's on the stock body, so with the overfenders and everything, it's probably gonna look pretty damn good. Now the taillight's in, you can actually see the whole panel now. Front bumper's on, back bumper's on, wing is on, trunk is on. We're gonna mount this up real quick. Well, not mount it up, we're gonna hold it up real quick, so that way we can get some kind of representation of what it's gonna look like. And then sadly, we're probably gonna have to end the video because there's still some work that we're gonna have to do, but it's already 5 o'clock and I'm tired as hell. That actually looks really solid. Yeah, that thing is going to look real good, honestly.
With some camber pulled out.
Yeah, with some camber pulled out for sure. We just wanted to mock it up real quick. We were gonna go and do a whole final assembly and everything, but it turns out that there is a little bit more work that we're gonna have to do that I wasn't considering. So we're gonna take care of that tomorrow. And then in the next video, you guys will see this thing finally fully assembled. I know I've been saying that for like 4 videos now, but trust me, this time I'm being very serious. We're very close now. But anyways, for today, we got the front bumper mounted. We got the entire car wrapped. We got the new headlights put in. We got a lot of stuff done to this thing. And honestly, I think it's gonna turn out better than I was expecting, and as well as a lot of you guys, hopefully. So I'm gonna get some rest tonight, get back up here tomorrow, and we are going to get this thing finished up. So with that being said, guys, if you guys wanna get entered in to win this car, by the time that you guys are seeing this, I promise it looks way better than this. Oh yeah. Oh, we gotta stick it.
And there's something else. Isn't there something else that's Don't Lose Sight?
Oh yeah. By the way, guys, my album is out now. If you guys want to go listen to the album Don't Lose Sight, click the link down below or look up Trace and Mello, Don't Lose Sight, and you should probably be able to find it. I think I'm honestly the most impressed out of this entire video is that I'm extremely impressed at our rap. So give me a fucking fist bump. Yeah. That was nice. That shit came out pretty dope. Doug, give me a fist bump. That wang looking good. That wang looking real nice back there.
Always on point.
Thank you so much for watching. Drop a like on this video. Comment down below and let me know what you guys think about this car. Is it going to turn out good? Find out next video. Turn notifications on if you haven't already. And for now, see you guys next video.
Let's fly out, call your people, let's go out and blow some smoke. Middle of the road, nobody know my name, no, that's okay. I'm just soaking in the life I made, yo, getting paid, do the watch it out the make. That's the path I'm supposed to take. I